Our paper, published recently in the journal Chaos, proposes a fresh and novel perspective to study the emergence of order from chaos in turbulent systems. We consider a turbulent thermocaustic system in which fuel and air are injected with a certain flow rate. The acoustic oscillations and heat release rate fluctuations inside the combustor interact with each other. A positive feedback between these oscillations may lead to self-sustained high-amplitude periodic oscillations referred to as thermocaustic instability. As the flow rate of fuel-air mixture is increased, we see a transition in the dynamics of the combustor from chaotic fluctuations to ordered periodic oscillations via the route of intermittency. Intermittency is characterized by bursts of periodic oscillations amidst aperiodic fluctuations. In our recent work, we investigate how the topology of the phase space changes when the combustor dynamics transitions from chaos to order. In the phase space, the trajectory is attracted by various periodic orbits that comprise the topology of the phase space. The number and stability of these orbits varies across different dynamical states. During chaos, several highly unstable periodic orbits govern the dynamics, while during thermocaustic instability, the trajectory is trapped by a stable limit cycle oscillator. We construct complex networks from phase space cycles to study how the topology of the phase space morphs during the emergence of order from chaos. We show that the number of periodic orbits decreases while the stability of these orbits increases when the combustor dynamics transitions from chaos to order. Further, we find that the corresponding cycle network becomes more and more connected as order emerges in the combustor dynamics. And finally, we obtain a fully connected network during the state of thermocaustic instability. We then use centrality measures derived from cycle networks to identify various dynamical regimes such as combustion noise, intermittency, and thermocaustic instability in the combustor. A sudden change in these centrality measures indicates the emergence of order from chaos prior to the onset of oscillatory instabilities. Thus, we propose the use of centrality measures derived from cycle networks as early warning indicators to thermocaustic instability. Finally, we propose an analogy between the emergence of order from chaos and the well-known Bose-Einstein condensation. By associating nodes of cycle network as particles and their degree as energy, we show that the onset of thermocaustic instability can be viewed as the onset of a condensation transition. We believe that such an analogy is a novel perspective and will promote borrowing statistical tools from the study of phase transitions to analyze and predict the occurrence of oscillatory instabilities such as thermocaustic instability.